AMD computer. AMD. Una, sa una nga buhaton. Gawas mo yung power supply. Okay, out ng power supply.
The last and the third exhibit. Chichi. Char lang ang kanuhay ng supply dia.
So remove ang mga connectors una ha, basta ano lang ha. Una gid ang mga connectors. Okay, para dili mga putol. Okay, so remove first the connectors. The ADA connectors or kung SATA siya, the SATA connectors. Okay. Next is the front panel connector. Front panel. Kanya. So front panel connector. Okay. So next, ano siya sunod? Okay, the daughter boards. Okay.
Kana video.
So, i-remove ba? Kaya ay kalimtan niya. So, unlock first the lock of the AGP connector or the PCI Express, ha? PCIe slots.
Check first.
The AGP slot, may it have a lock. Okay? On the slots.
So, pupugay ka ng ano?
Okay.
Red na red.
Tinaw pa kayo.
So, that is ATI. AGP type display card or BGA card. Then, saan eh?
Kuan katong sa telephone, sir.
Modem.
PAX modem basta adunay ikuan ha. Adunay for the connections of the mic and speaker. Okay?
Dili pa na siya audio card, sir.
Audio port.
Audio card.
So dili na siya audio card. This is a PAX modem. So wala na karon. Hindi na siya ginagamit. Pero kailangan kailata ha. So sa sunod ma-remove.
The hard drive.
Oh, the hard drive kay Dekado oh. Kita nyo oh. Diba? Oh, so this drive yun, remove din yung this drive. Okay.
Kana
Hard drive.
hard drive.
Okay.
Sunod motherboard.
Next is the motherboard.
Maya or mga memory sa mga.
Yan. Okay, so remember na itong concept, safety precautions. Do not hold directly the microchips ha. So hold on the ground, any ground. Like for example this one. Okay? So Parang itong karton ba? Karton? Bay, iana dahil na video. Paano din ba yung video dahil? Paano? Pip.
Isa. Ano lang?
So, okay, so how to remove the processor of the motherboard. So, the type of the motherboard, the form factor of this motherboard is ATX Epox type. Epox brand. The version is it's 8HMMI. That's A. So the memory, the RAM. So, compatible RAM is 256 MB.
DDR1 na, sir.
DDR1. Okay. So up to 1 gig ha, 1 gig.
Sir, ang connector, sir.
Okay, so the clip. Okay, remove first the connector of the power connector of the air block, then the clip. Okay, so ano siya ha, the clip of the air block. So pause lang gihapon. Okay, oh, tanyo, oh. Kung bantay mo na ha, kay basig mabalik niya. Okay, kanyo idea. Then na. Okay, then remove. No? Okay, anak mo siya no? Oh, okay, check diri. So kung ibalik ninyo,
Isangit lang po.
if you return
Ilak po siya.
the air block, so lock first the air, lock first air, then
To the other side.
lock to the other, no? To the other end. So lock also. Then before to clip, the lock before lock the cliff. Oh. Okay. Ouch. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now this is the processor on the SIP socket.
Ini kay
Now
bakal.
zero insertion first socket. Unlock the lever. Okay. Then remove the processor.
Pin-type processor.
Dala yung kan, sir.
Okay. So the processor AMD Athlon 64 EDE 2.8 or 2800. So meaning this is 2.8 gigahertz.
Pila ka core ni ani sir?
Single core. Single core lang siya.
Pinaka-power ka lang. Ito lang yung pinaka-power. Kahit na kayo. Ang bago ka lang.
5 core na karon.
Kahit ko lang.
Tri-core.
Walang mga ay. Mo ba na siya?
Sa Intel.
Oo.
Okay, next motherboard. Okay, next motherboard. This one. So, AMD compatible motherboard, the ATOX. Now, the socket 370 Intel motherboard. Intel compatible. Socket 370. The socket 370 motherboard is compatible with the Pentium 3 processor. Okay? So, remove na to ang memory. The memory is PC133.
Sana. SD na sir, SD RAM.
Oh, SD RAM. So, adunay duha.
Duha ka.
Okay, it have two breakout,
Breaker.
no? Breaker. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 by 8. Pila?
64.
64. Okay, so this only
64
64 MB. So no other side. Okay. So this only 64 MB. So how to remove the processor and the air block first, okay? So use the flat screw, then pause. Okay? Oh? Dilay.
Dapat,
Kabilang karon
Pagbalik,
din na siya eh.
pag return nyo,
dapat kabisado gid yung sa mga klase na.
okay?
Think before you click, hindi na sir.
Oh, think
Before you
before you proceed. Okay? Then,
Before you decide.
klaro nyo na ha, Intel,
Intel.
Celeron.
Kini Athlon eh.
Okay, Intel
AMD
Celeron
Athlon.
700 megahertz, 120 maximum capacity of the memory. The bus frequency is 66. The voltage score is 1.7. So this is only 66 megahertz on the buses of the computer. Okay, so but the speed is 700. Okay, so that's all. Next is to assemble the hardwares of the computer on the one unit system or the system unit of the computer. Okay.
Kaya na siya to, ganyan na siya gibutan.
Kaya na to, giginawa siya ng